How much money can you expect to make listening to music? There are various opportunities open to you if you're looking to make money while enjoying music. According to the platform you use, there are differences in how much you can earn. For instance, some sites might pay you $0.02 to $0.2 for each song, while others might pay $1 to $15. If you are serious about your side job, you can expect to earn between $100 and $200 per month just by enjoying music. Your average monthly profits, however, may change because each site pays differently. Specific platforms may also provide additional opportunities to make money, such as submitting reviews and rating music playlists. Now let us learn more about the apps that can pay you while listening to music. 1. Current with the installation of Android and iOS-based mobile software. Current, you may get paid about $600 annually for listening to music on your phone. If you want to earn money as you listen to music passively, this belongs to the most rewarding app. You'll accrue points as you connect to the broadcast stations of your choosing, from hip-hop to country. If you continue to listen more and more, your income will rise. Current won't charge you anything to listen to carefully selected music. You can gain points by tapping the play button repeatedly. The most prominent feature of this program is that you can make money while exercising, working at the workplace, or even traveling. Your points can be used to buy gift cards, make music recordings for offline listening, or cash out using PayPal. 2. Playlist. Push Playlist. Push is an app that lets you earn money for writing music reviews. The purpose of paying to listen to music is to support up-and-coming musicians and performers. This website is suitable for you if you have an excellent ear for music and are skilled at writing reviews. To earn money by enjoying music here, you must be eligible. On any of these music playlists, including those on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Music, the person must be the owner and have many followers. The app is easy to use, and you only have to be good at writing reviews to get going. An excellent pay rate is provided by Playlist Push. You will be paid $12 for each song you review. Funds will be transferred directly to your registered bank account. It is a top app with top features, with the sole aim of connecting artists.